Hi there, I'm Sabina from Contabo. Today we'll break down the difference between SQL and NoSQL databases and when to use each one. Let's get started. Databases store and organize information for websites, applications, and businesses. There are two main types: SQL, also called relational, and NoSQL, or non-relational databases. Let's start with SQL. SQL, or structured query language, is used in relation databases where data is stored in tables with rows and columns, just like a spreadsheet. SQL databases are structured and organized using tables with predefined schemas. Use SQL for queries, so are easy to search, filter, and retrieve data. Relationships between data exist with tables connecting through primary and foreign keys, and they are ACID compliant, ensuring data consistency and reliability. Popular SQL databases are, for example, MySQL, Postgres, Oracle database, or Microsoft SQL Server. SQL databases are best for structured data like banking transactions, e-commerce orders, and customer management. Unlike SQL, NoSQL databases don't use tables. Instead, they store data in flexible formats like JSON, key-value pairs, or graphs. They are schema-free. That means that predefined structures don't exist, making them flexible. They scale horizontally, distributing data across multiple servers, and are optimized for speed, for example, in fast read, write operations, and they handle unstructured data and work with text, images, videos, and logs. Types of NoSQL databases includes document stores that store data as JSON documents, key-value stores for fast lookups with key-value pairs, column stores, which are optimized for analytics, and graph databases, which work best for social networks. Having said that, NoSQL is great for real-time applications, IoT, and high-speed analytics. So what are the benefits of NoSQL? This database system is flexible, adapts to different data types, and gives you high performance. It can easily handle millions of users and is great for big data and real-time apps, such as social media, AI, or IoT. On the other hand, it is less structured and harder to work for complex queries, and not always ACID compliant since it traces consistency for speed. SQL also has more mature tools and documentation, while NoSQL requires more data management, which means indexing and optimization can be challenging. You should choose NoSQL when messaging apps or social media require high speed and unstructured data, and when you need to process vast amounts of information. In a sense, if your project needs flexibility, scalability, and high-speed access, NoSQL is a great choice. And that's it. Now you understand the difference between SQL and NoSQL databases. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe for more Contabo tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy coding!